shot here. Right now.
I'm just sitting on the bed, just like hands folded.
I can't see. You're probably gonna have to like kneel down here though, to be honest, because everybody's faces are gone.
Well, you're gonna have to.
Well, this is
not comfortable.
Oh gosh.
Tyler, all I see is your crotch.
Oh, so I get the uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Alright, now all we get to see of Tyler is his mustache.
And you're covering my face, so it's cool.
We're gonna all squeeze in here. Alright. What's going on, everybody? This is the segment of the vlog talking about relationships, and I figured it was fitting. We're all very, very tired right now, but I've got my brother Tyler, my cousin Corey, my fiance Crystal, and me. And we're all here in Georgia right now because today was the funeral of our grandfather. And I don't know, just like having everybody here, having the family here kind of brought to the forefront of my mind the importance of relationships and focusing on those, focusing on family and friends and just what that means. So I don't really know what kind of content this is going to be. Mostly I want to focus on just, you know, building those relationships and improving in them in any way I can. So I'm going to work on my relationship with Crystal. We're going to go on a date night on a regular basis. That's going to be one thing that I'm going to do there. Corey, I'm always conning him into making bricks.
That's true.
So
That's true.
We're seeing each other on a regular basis. And Tyler's always traveling across the country, but you know, I feel like Tyler and I have grown a lot closer together since we've both moved out of the house, which was a long time ago. Mm-hmm. But I feel like we've both grown a lot closer together. I don't know, like there's definitely friends in my life that I love, but I've kind of distanced myself from simply because I'm in a different part of my life than they are right now. And you have to go through those phases. But at the end of the day, like, this is my family right here. This is my family. They mean the world to me. And it's sad that it takes sometimes, you know, a death to bring us all together. But we see each other pretty regularly. But like everybody else in the family, not so much. But being here all together in Georgia, it really just kind of speaks to the importance of what family is and the importance of family. So, any quick word? Let's do a little blurb about Grandpa. Do a little blurb about Grandpa.
The Incredible Hulk.
The Incredible Hulk?
Oh yeah, that was the earliest memories. He'd puff up, you know, and chase after us as little kids.
Yeah, so we puff up and chase after us. What about you, Corey?
Man, he just had the sharpest sense of humor. He never, even till the end, he was, you know, had the quickest wit. He could come back from any of your jokes and make it 10 times better. Like he really was a legend, and he showed it every day. He lived his life to the fullest every single day, and that's something that he makes me want to do.
Yep, I agree. Crystal, you didn't know him as well as the rest of us.
Yeah, I think I only met him one time before, but we did talk on the phone with him pretty often or on FaceTime, and one thing I can say is that he always was supportive of not only Robert but also me and what we were doing in our lives and in our relationship, and that meant a lot, even him like not knowing me well.
Yeah, I spoke at the funeral today, and one of the things that I mentioned was Grandpa was in the railroad too, and I'd said this in one of the vlogs, but he was in the railroad too, and that we had that connection. And when I quit the railroad to start a business, I was scared to tell him that I quit the railroad. I thought that we would lose that bond. But instead it only made it stronger because he realized that I was following my heart, my passion. And like, he was there for us and he supported us, and I can't speak enough to that. So value the relationships in your life, value the family because it's the only family you got. And I love Grandpa and I love all y'all. So we'll catch y'all later.